Hey guys, so you're back with another video. So today we are going to be flipping my IKEA KALLAX. So just like in my last video, I was telling you guys how I just bought a new home and I'm going to be flipping all of this stuff and showing you what my new home looks like. So first thing I did was I took everything out, I cleaned it, and a quick tip. If you guys have the IKEA KALLAX in white or black or any of those glossy finishes, you're going to have to sand and prime it. I tried to skip this step and you're going to see why you definitely should not skip this step. So this is the paint that I'm using. The color is Pebble Gray. It is a chalk-based matte paint, and this is why I said sand and prime before you start. I got that paint from Amazon, by the way. And as you can see, like the streakiness and stuff, it's not a big deal. You just have to do like a bunch of coats if you did not sand and prime it. Again, I'm using a matte chalk-based paint too. So I don't know if that has anything to do with it, but I ran out of paint. So that little can did not stretch in this video. The last video I made with the dresser, it stretched, but it did not do that here. So while I'm waiting for some more paint to come in from Amazon, I went ahead and start installing the feet. I thought that these would be an easier choice to just snap on there. I seen another person use them. So again, while I am doing renovations and things at my new home, I'm still staying with my parents, and my dad was able to help me do the measurements and cut for the doors on the KALLAX. So these door measurements are very specific. If you want to follow the way that I did mine, the measurements are 27 by 27 1/8 by 13 1/4. So those measurements again are 27 1/8 and 13 1/4, and those will give you the exact fit to give you the width and things that you need in between each door. So if you're using outside hinges like I am, you have to do the doors the way that I'm doing them in order to have the space for them to open and close. So if you're using inside hinges, you don't have to worry about this problem, because you can have the doors open or close whatever which way that you want them to without them bumping in, because you need that space, that little half-inch gap there. But the paint finally came in and I went ahead and touched everything up, and this is how it looks. I did 2 and 3 coats on the insides and outsides of everything, and I did not film me putting the hardware on. I'm so sorry, but this is how it came out, and I think I did a pretty good job. Y'all let me know in the comments what you think. This is how it came out for me, and let me say this, I've never really made anything before or just really did something where I'm like, oh, I'm so proud of it, but I am really proud of this, because them doors was really hard to put on, and like I'm not the best craftsman, so the fact that I was able to do that is amazing. But let me know what you think. This is how it came out, and again, I'm going to be doing all these DIY videos showing you how I'm flipping my new home, and once I get there, I'm going to do a full walkthrough. Right now I got all my furniture just like jumbled up in my parents' house, but again, I'm going to be doing all these DIYs, and you guys tell me what you think. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Wings are mounted to a soul. Knows what you know, what you want to know.